we all are ready to set and impress our guests with a beautiful cooked and baked dishes. So here at Artistic Bake, we are also ready to welcome our guests, and to impress our guests, here me Aarti Gupta is ready with a new fusion baked good. Without any further ado, let's begin with the recipe. Measurements and the ingredients will be listed down in the description box below.
So we will start by heating up our pan. So once our pan is heated, we will roast some sesame seed until we see some splutter. Once the seed starts spluttering, we will take it off. And in the same pan, now we will roast our desiccated coconut. We will roast the coconut until a visible color change and a nice aroma. So this will take about few minutes. So once we see the color change, we will take it off. Now in the same pan, we will roast our evaporated milk solid. So we will roast this until the texture changes and we can see the fat oozing out. We will take it out in the same bowl and allow it to cool completely before mixing in the sugar and the spices. So now moving towards the filling too, here we have a mixing bowl. To that we will add our curd, evaporated milk solid, cream cheese, paneer and some sugar. Churn it into a fine paste. So here we have our fine paste. We will take it out in a bowl. We will add our milk masala and the condensed milk. Mix everything together. Now we will line up our muffin tray. Take some room temperature soft butter on a tissue paper and grease the muffin tray well. Here we have a samosa patti sheet. Cut it into two and line it into the pan. Apply some butter. You can even apply the butter on the sheet first and then place it inside the pan. It will make your work more easier. So now we will add our filling one. Before adding, we will add in the spice mix and the sugar. Mix everything well and place it in the muffin tray, 1 spoon at a time. Once you have filled your muffin tray, now we will take a vessel with a flat surface and press the stuffing to make some room for the filling too. So here we have our filling too. We will place the filling too till the cup is full, and at the same time we will preheat our oven at 160 degrees with both the rods on. This is our remaining filling. Place it on top, and whatever filling is left over we will use it. Take the same samosa patti, apply some butter, place the filling on one side and fold it into triangles. Maintain the shape, and here we get our triangles. Repeat it again until you have finished off with the fillings. So here we are done with the filling. Now we will place it in a pan. Apply some butter on top of the samosa patties. And now we will place this inside the oven for baking.
So our baked good is out of the oven. So once our royal gujiya bite is out of the oven, we will allow it to cool down completely and then we will demold it. So once it has cooled down completely, it will be easily demoldable. So you can remove it and place it in your platter. So I am ready to impress my guests with my fusion dessert. What about you? Do make this fusion recipe in your kitchen and let me know if your guests are impressed by the recipe or not. Don't forget to comment down in the videos and like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.